Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. And firstly I will show how to enable or disable it on Apple devices and then on Android devices. On your Apple device, open Settings. And you need to scroll down just a bit. Right here under the general we have accessibility and we need to tap on it. Then scroll down again and you need to find audio and visual, and right here we have it. Click on it and at the fourth line we have mono audio. So to enable it you need to tap the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it you need to also tap one time at this slider, but if the slider have a colorful background. Now let's move to Android devices. Open Settings and then we need to enter accessibility. So scroll down and you need to find it. I have it here at the bottom. Click on it and then scroll down again. Also I have this feature at the bottom, it's audio adjustment, and you need to enter here. And right here at the top we have mono audio. To enable it you need to tap the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, the same process, you need to tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!